The kettle's on the boil. The kettle is on the boil. And the kettle has boiled. And today on the Coffee Chill channel, it's Nature Gift Coffee 21 Instant Coffee Powder. Let's check it out. Always important to give it a good stir. And good morning to the Five Palms Luxury Boutique Hotel here in Siem Reap, Cambodia. We've got a bit of a show and tell with our Coffee 21 this morning. Let's proceed. So looking backwards before we look forwards, we've got some paraphernalia, some regalia, some collateral, some communications from my travels in Thailand prior to coming to Cambodia. Let's have a look at some of those. I had a wonderful time in Khon Kaen, Khon Kaen National Museum. I certainly got out and about there, and yeah, I'll be going back there for sure. Udon Thani, we love you, and had a great time in Udon Thani. Spent about 5 months there, 6 months probably to be honest, and a day at the races amongst many fantastic adventures in Udon Thani. Bangkok, the Big Mango, that was wonderful. And spent a few days there, stayed at the Promenade Hotel. You know, we'll be back to Bangkok again soon too. And of course, Pattaya and Jomtien and Nung Nush Gardens. Very impressed. Been there a few times, but on my recent visit, they had expanded. And yeah, we spent quite a few hours at Nung Nush and got around, had a great time. Whilst I was travelling around, from Bangkok to Pattaya to Jomtien and even to the airport to get to here, I used Jojo Taxi Pattaya. So the Jojo Taxi Lady driver, always very, very good. And there's a 100-baht note. And now we're in Cambodia, and how nice is this pool? I've been in several times. It's just fantastic. Beautiful pool bar area here. And it's a lovely, what is it today? Monday. It's a beautiful Monday morning in Siem Reap, Cambodia. So I've been doing some power tourism here in Siem Reap, and just this little snapshot here of what I've been up to. The Angkor National Museum. Fly there as well. Angkor Panorama Museum, and of course we've been to Angkor Wat. We did the one-day pass. It was fantastic. We saw other temples while we were there. Angkor Thom as well. Just an amazing day of well, several days of temples, museums, archaeological sites, and just being out and about in the wonderful Siem Reap. And yes, the Coffee 21, it's trending positive too. Of course, whilst we're out and about, we've had a few beers. I like the Cambodia beer. I've had it bottled and in draft. Fantastic. And yes, we've been getting the odd foot massage in too, which is something you should always do in this part of the world, in my opinion, if you can. As we come down the home straight, tickets and currencies. So, very soon we'll be off to Singapore. There's a $2 Singapore there. We've been using primarily American dollars here in Cambodia, and I'll be back in Oz. There's a pineapple, a $50 Australian note. So yep, currencies, there's been chopping and changing those in the last little while as we keep moving. And then the e-ticket. So there's a couple of tickets in here. There's Siem Reap to Singapore, and Singapore to Brisbane. So we've got some flight videos coming up and experiences, so make sure that you stay tuned to the Coffee Chill channel. And wherever you are today, I trust this note finds you well, and please enjoy the balance of your day. Cheers.